पत्रकार सम्मेलन च बोलदियां केंद्रीय मंत्री हरसिमरत कौर बादल ने कहा कि 84 सिख कतलेआम राजीव गांधी की शह ते ही अंजाम दिता गया सी ते राजीव गांधी ही इस दे लई जिम्मेवार सन। हरसिमरत कौर बादल ने जांच गांधी परिवार नूं शामिल करने की मंग करदिआं 84 पीड़ितां नूं मिले इंसाफ लई अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी ते नरेंद्र मोदी का धन्नवाद भी कीता।
Has been a historic verdict, not just for the Sikh community, but I think in the history of this country, where a genocide of this size and scale, sponsored by the government and with the direct hand pointing towards the Prime Minister, then Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, at the behest of his goons. The fact that a genocide should take place where one entire community is targeted, and after that 11 commissions sit, and for 34 years not one person is made responsible or given any kind of has not been convicted, is I think shameful in the history of this country. I would like to thank then Prime Minister Vajpayee ji, who in 2012 under Nanavati Commission, the 12th commission which came, which actually recorded the reality of 1984 carnage for what it was. After 11 commissions, Congress ensured that everything was derailed, every kind of proof was wiped out, every kind of poor suffering person was either dhamkaud or daraud or bought out. And the people who perpetrated this genocide were made ministers and were given Z+ security and every kind of indication given to all the 4 pillars of democracy to ensure that justice was not served. If Nanavati Commission set the basis for our community to receive some kind of justice, today I thank Prime Minister Modi. In 2014 our government was formed. Star Prakash Singh Badal ji along with Shiromani Akali Dal, Delhi Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee SGPC approached them that for the first time our government has been formed, this NDA government, and we hope that the one thing that the Sikhs and the country has been wanting to see, justice, will be given to our people. And I am thankful to the Prime Minister that on our request he formed this SIT, and with the formation of this SIT and with the help of all DGMC, SGPC, which had in any case for 34 years continuously been fighting these cases in the forefront, and especially Star Gurbaksh Singh ji of Delhi, who has been in the forefront of even this particular case, silently fighting this case without letting it leak out to ensure that nobody can derail it. And that is why today justice has prevailed. Today we demand from the SIT that has been formed that Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi be called by the SIT, that they must also depose in front of this SIT. What is the hand that their family and Rajiv Gandhi, husband of Sonia Gandhi, then Prime Minister, who says that when a big tree falls, the earth will shake, and these little skirmishes will happen, this is no big deal.